At-home hair treatments that save money and deliver salon-worthy results. Tired of paying salon prices for results that don't last? You're not alone. Great hair care is now just a few steps away, right from home. Why spend $50 to $300 at a salon when coconut oil, hair masks, and DIY remedies can give you lasting shine and strength, for a fraction of the price? At-home treatments aren't just affordable. They're flexible, fast, and made to fit your busy lifestyle. Your kitchen might just be your new salon. 1. Coconut oil plus honey. Ultimate hydration for your hair. 2. Avocado plus olive oil. Provides deep nourishment. 3. Egg plus yogurt. Strengthens and repairs damaged hair. Customize your hair care to match your unique needs. Hydration, frizz control, color protection. You choose what works for you. Consistent at-home care can give you soft, glossy, resilient hair, without the hefty price tag or salon wait. Prefer ready-made options? Professional-grade masks like Wella and Sebastian deliver fast, impressive results, even on the go. No appointments. No traffic. No pressure. Just easy, effective treatments while you binge your favorite shows. DIY won't ruin your hair if done right. Home treatments aren't time-consuming. Healthy hair isn't built in a day. With weekly care, your hair will thrive, naturally and beautifully. Why wait for an appointment when your best hair is already within reach? Start your at-home hair care journey today.